Welcome back to MS Excel Training. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to protect your Excel workbooks with a password. Whether you're securing sensitive data or just want to keep your work private, adding a password is a quick and effective way to do it. Let's start with the process. First, open the Excel workbook that you want to protect. Here I will open my data. Click on File tab, Info, Protect Workbook, Encrypt with Password. In the box, type the password you want to keep. Here, I am putting 1234 just for example, but I suggest you to keep strong password for more security. Below it, there is some important information you should know. It says if you forget password, you will not be able to recover it. So put the password that you always remember. Next thing is password is case sensitive. Click on OK. It will prompt you to re-enter the password.
Put the password again.
Click on OK. Now password is set. Click on Save button. Now close and reopen the workbook. Here you see,
Password is asked.
enter the password and click OK. If you want to remove the password, again click on File tab, Info, Protect Workbook, Encrypt with Password. Remove the password and click on OK. Then, click on Save button. So, this is how we protect our workbook with password. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.